Hi, this is Candace Gibson, the hair loss specialist at Follicles Hair Restoration Salon, and today I want to share with you dandruff. Let's talk about dandruff today. So, why do people get dandruff, and why is it that it's so excessive for some people? Well, the reasons are health. You need to get your health in check. If you have inflammation, if you're not going to the bathroom on a regular basis, if you're not drinking a lot of water, you need to address those issues. Number two, you need a scalp detox. Yes, you need to detox your scalp. And number three, you need to cleanse your scalp and your hair more often than regular. Okay? And those are the ways that you can prevent dandruff from coming. Now, I know a lot of people use different types of dandruff shampoo. However, you start to still experience dandruff, and that's because you're not going internal, meaning that you need to do a detox. Yes, you need to cleanse your internal system, and you need to add more water to your regimen. That is key, number one. So, if you're experiencing dandruff and you need a solution, you can contact me, Candace, at 302 709 1919.